In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory list in Excel. We'll keep this simple, clear, and fast by using Excel's built-in templates, which give you a professional layout and ready-made formulas without starting from a blank sheet. Begin by opening Excel and going to the File menu in the top left corner. This takes you to the Home or Backstage view, where you can create new workbooks and browse the full template gallery. It's the best place to find pre-designed solutions for common tasks like inventory tracking, asset lists, and stock management. Next, choose More Templates. This option opens the complete library so you're not limited to just a handful of featured items. If you're using a version where you see New instead, that's the same place to browse. A quick tip: being online helps Excel load the freshest templates and previews. In the search box, type the word inventory. You'll immediately see a range of options tailored to different needs: general inventory lists, equipment or asset tracking, stock inventory, and more. Each template usually includes structured columns such as item, category, location, quantity on hand, reorder level, unit price, and total value, along with formatting that makes it easy to read and filter. Now, select a template that fits your workflow. Before you open it, glance at the preview to check whether the columns and layout match what you need. If you buy and sell items, a template with unit price and automatic total value is helpful. If you're tracking tools or assets, look for fields like serial number, condition, or assigned to. Choosing the right template up front saves time later. When you open your chosen template, Excel creates a new workbook with sample data and built-in formulas. Replace the sample entries with your own items, and keep an eye on any calculated columns. Those cells usually contain formulas like quantity times unit price to calculate total value. If something looks locked or formatted differently, that's usually to protect formulas. You can safely edit the item details, quantities, and other descriptive fields. You can also adjust column headers to match your terminology and hide any columns you don't use to keep the sheet clean. If the template includes dropdowns for categories or locations, update those lists so they reflect your business. Filtering and sorting are already built into most templates, so you can quickly see low stock items or group products by type. And that's it. You went to File, opened More Templates, searched for Inventory, and selected a template that does the heavy lifting for you. From here, you're ready to populate your inventory and start tracking with confidence.